So this is an app that you can actually play a video game in real life on your actual mobile phone. Are you serious? Oh, we gotta jump into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, if this is your first time watching, my name's Nick and this is TechSpace. Now, if you haven't already seen my first video I did on special effects apps, you should check it out after this video. Now, I showcase a whole bunch of cool VFX apps in that video, so it's definitely worth the watch. But in this video, I'm here with a whole round of new special effects apps for you guys. So over the last few months, I started to see a bunch of apps pop up on the Play Store and App Store around AI and deepfakes and VR games. So in this video, I wanted to showcase some of those apps for you guys. Now, as always, there is 3 criteria that these apps needed to have. The first one being they had to be easy to use. Second, they had to be free to download. But one of the apps does have some in-app purchases, but it is free to download. And the third, they had to be cool. So with that said, let's jump into it with our first app, and it's called Mug Life.
Now, this app in its simplest form is a meme generator, but it's unlike any other meme generator app out there. What this app actually does is it turns your 2D images into a 3D face that can move and animate and show expressions. So the app has a bunch of pre-made facial movements and animations that you can easily apply to your images. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Now, it's probably the easiest way to add movement to your selected images and create facial animations for all kinds of memes. So once you've had a play around with the app, you'll notice that there is a perform button in the lower left-hand side of the screen here. Now, this is where the app really gets powerful. Now, this button allows you to use your phone's facial tracking to mimic your own facial expressions and apply them to the image. So once the app has scanned your face, you can apply it to any image or celebrity you choose. So I'm going to create one with Elon Musk. Hopefully give me a little Twitter shout out and make my TechSpace Bitcoin go through the roof. Thank you, Elon. So as you can see, I can move my face around. I can stick my tongue out. I can wink. It's pretty good at following the face. Now, it's not perfect, but it is a pretty powerful app. Now, if you do want to use your own images, you click on the camera icon in the top right-hand corner, and you can add your own images from your gallery. Or if you just want to take a photo of yourself, you can do that as well. Now, this allows you to apply the same animation to any face you load into the app. You can even animate your pet's face.
Now, moving on to our next app, and it's called Parallax View.
Now, this app only works on iPhone with true depth camera, so I'm sorry, Android users. I know you're going to hit me up in the comments, but this app only actually works on iPhone, and I could not put this in the video because it's so cool. Now, this app tracks your eyes and head movements and allows you to look at objects with 3D depth. As you can see, I'm moving the building around and it's tracking my eyes, which are just above the camera lens to allow you to see the depth in the image. Now, in real life, it feels like the building is coming out of the screen. Now, if I click on the next scenario, it's called Void. Now, this gives the illusion of the screen having depth to it. Man, this illusion looks so good in real life. Now, I think it gets a little bit broken on camera because I'm trying to get my lens and line it up perfectly. But off camera, it almost feels like I can put my finger into the screen. Oh man, that's so trippy. So I think the next scenario is definitely my favorite. It's almost like you're looking inside an iPhone. The 3D depth on this is amazing. Now, if you are interested in the tech and how they do it, they have some links in the app that takes you to their website and they break down how the technology works and the different applications of it.
Now, the app is free, but unfortunately for Android users, you can only download it for iPhone at the moment. But hopefully in the future, they'll be updating this for Android as well. But what I'm really excited for is when developers start using this tech within games. Could you imagine the kind of phone games you could play with this? This would be so rad. I can't wait for it. So anyway, talking about games, let's jump on to our next app, and it's called Nightfall AR.
So this app is all about augmented reality gameplay. The app is based around the History Channel TV show called Nightfall. Now, the app allows you to place the game in any environment. You first scan the surface you want to play the game on, and then through the app's AR tech, it locks the game to that surface. So I'm currently placing it on my desk here in my studio, and you're viewing it through my Samsung phone. Now, the objective of the game is to protect your castle against enemies as they make their way up to the castle walls to try and destroy it. Now, one thing that blew me away the most with this game is the level of detail in it. Now, I can move my phone around the environment. I can even move down to ground level and look at individual soldiers as they move towards to attack my castle. How cool is that? Now, to fire your weapon, you click on the screen and you can choose to either fire your arrows or you can use the massive catapult on your enemies. Now, Nightfall AR is definitely an app that I would recommend downloading and having a play with. Now, the app is completely free and there is no in-game charges or add-ons. Now, this is very rare for a game of this quality. Now, you can get the app currently on the Google Play Store and also on the App Store for iPhone.
Well, moving on to our next app. Well, it's not really an app, but actually it's a website. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Nick, I clicked on this video because I want to see special effects apps. Well, trust me, you're going to get a kick out of this website. Now, the website's called synthesia.io.
Now, the website allows you to generate full AI videos. Now, according to their website, it's the first platform in the world that allows you to create videos by simply typing in text. So I'll kick it off by showing you a little example and you'll understand why I think this website is so cool.
Hi and welcome to TechSpace. This is a demo of how text-to-voice works. I will say whatever Nick types. How cool is this? We are now living in the future. Skynet is now online.
So let me show you how it's done. First of all, you type your script into the text box. Once you're happy with that, you click on the listen button and that will play back your voice audio in real time. Now, once you're happy with that, you can select your actor from the right-hand side here. You can choose your framing and adjust the sizing. You can also add a soundtrack, choose a background, and add some text as well. Now, once you're finished, you just click generate video and that's it. Now, this tech was used most recently in a commercial with David Beckham. Now, the commercial needed to be shown in multiple countries in multiple languages. So they first shot David Beckham in a studio, they scanned his face, then they recorded a whole bunch of different languages from different voiceover artists. Then through the power of their AI technology, they were able to manipulate his face and match the new languages. I can definitely see where this could be used a lot in the future with the whole deep fakes and AI technology. I think we're probably going to see this tech being used a lot in the corporate spaces with business videos and infographics. Given most small businesses and companies don't have big production budgets, this lets you create a video on a very tight budget. One of the other really cool things about this site is if you do want to check it out, they do have a free version and you can create your very own videos and test it out yourself.
Well, I hope you enjoyed all of these apps and website. Now, if this is your first time watching a video from me, you should check out my YouTube channel. Now, I have a whole bunch of other really cool videos that showcase tech, cool graphics, and are just fun to watch. Well, my name's Nick, this is TechSpace. Thanks for watching, and write me a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.